Introducing our behind the seat accent trim for the Can-Am Ryker. This behind the seat accent trim is available in over a dozen colors, including real carbon fiber. Today we'll be installing the raw carbon fiber on our shop Ryker to show you just how easy this is to do yourself. Start by test fitting the piece so you end up with the proper alignment. Then clean the surface area with alcohol and a lint-free cloth. And make sure the surface area is between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit for proper adhesion. So if this seems like something you'd like for your Ryker, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.